Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today we will be looking at a case from Antec called the P110 Luce. Fun fact, Luce is Italian and means light. Back to the unboxing. This case does have a tempered glass. The front of the box gives you a glimpse of the case. The left of the box has some specs. You can pause and read it. On the back you have more info. You can pause and read it. And finally on the right you have more info. You can pause and read it. Let's get this unboxed. 1, 2, 3. Here is the beast. First impressions, this case is large. You have a generous sized window which has a dark tint to it. There is plastic foam attached to the inside and outside of the case. This is great as it will protect it from scratches. On the top of the case, there is a magnetic dust filter. This is something I would love to see replicated by other manufacturers. The top allows you to mount either two 120 or two 140mm fans. The front top of the case houses the power button, LED button, headphone jack, microphone jack, two USB 3 ports and an HDMI port for VR gaming. Opening the left side panel reveals two SSD mounting slots. You can remove this if you do not require it. There is a large cutout for the CPU cooler. Here is the LED fan controller. The PSU is in the lower chamber as well as space for two 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch hard drives. There is a removable dust filter for the PSU chamber. It slides out and it's not magnetic like the others. On the rear of the case there is a 120mm fan mount and the case does include a fan in this location. The PCI slots are perforated for better cooling. Removing the main side panel, you have mounting options for two 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch hard drives, or four 3.5-inch hard drives. Here is the previously mentioned 120mm fan. This is the cable management and VGA card holder to help support heavy video cards. The front has capacity for three 120mm or two 140mm fans. The front has a magnetic dust filter. All in all, if you are in the market for a spacious mid-tower with plenty of hard drive options, decent cooling, and do not need a DVD or Blu-ray drive slot, this could be the case for you. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Gerald for letting me unbox his case. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. What was the first PC mod you ever did?